Located 10 minutes from Pondok Indah, in a peaceful green enclave near the South Jakarta Business District, South Grove homes are designed for quintessential luxury that offers the utmost in privacy and security. These exquisitely designed homes are built with exceptional materials and meticulous care, balancing design, luxury, and convenience. The strategic location gives you a wonderful sense of space, living close to green surroundings while being connected to a thriving city. Walking distance to world-class hospitals, the best international and national plus schools, and the city's best malls, with easy access to the MRT station and Johor Toll Road. Life at South Grove ensures the needs of your whole family are met. Discover the art of city living.